back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. I realized that not everyone wants non-phone or healthcare or data entry, so I have something for those of you who don't mind being on the phones in the customer support kind of field and are more techie. The company GODADDY is hiring website tech support sales. Now, this is remote within the United States. Please note they state in their job description that this is a fully remote role and it's only open to certain states. Those states are Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Hawaii, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Missouri, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So if you live in one of those states, this might just be for you. But they are looking for someone to join their website and security sales team to help support consultants assist their customers. You'll be a part of a team of dedicated sales and support agents geared towards ensuring all of their hosting customers get the product suite that they need at the right time every time. You will provide assistance to those customers for purchases, any technical issues they're having with their hosting packages, and other general questions and concerns while maintaining a positive customer experience. You'll thoroughly review all the customer accounts to seek sales opportunities and help them be more successful. You'll look to see if there's opportunity for them to upgrade their hosting services or add on additional products that would help them in their journey. They don't require any kind of degree. They are looking for someone who has the ability to meet sales quota along with other performance metrics, someone who is open to developing their sales skills, someone who can work in an ever-changing environment, quick learning, and good interpersonal skills. They also want somebody who's a multitasker and has experience working with multiple computer screens and workstations. Now, of course, I will leave GoDaddy's Glassdoor page down below, also in the YouTube description box, if you want to do just a little bit more research on their reviews and the company. But I did research a little bit on salary since their job description did not list it, and it looks like 6 people have submitted their salary that work in tech support, and it looks like the average salary is about $49,000 a year. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for things to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.